Hello friends, this is Raj Sastry from Raj Option Trading. Today is March 26, 2022. Let's take a look at top semiconductor stocks. These are all profitable semiconductor stocks and they can do very well as you go forward. So with the top of the list, we got Nvidia. It's the biggest market cap in semiconductors, still doing very well under the leadership of Jetson Huang. And then you got Taiwan Semiconductor. Taiwan Semiconductor is down big time now. Good time to buy some Taiwan Semiconductor and go from there. And then you got a small cap name here, AEHR. They're into semiconductor testing. This stock can do very well as you go forward. And then you got one of my favorite, AMD, under the leadership of Lisa Su. This stock has turned around and become a big company, and this is not an underdog anymore. And then you got Qualcomm. Qualcomm is beaten down at this time. Good time to buy some Qualcomm and go from there. And finally, we got Micron. It's also beaten down at this time. Good time to buy some Micron and build your portfolio. So with that, let's jump in and look at some of these stocks here. Look, we got Nvidia here. It's done great in the past, and right now, it's come a little bit down, as you can see here. This is due to the sector rotation out of growth names, but now it's got its groove back. It's trying to go higher. Look, on the balance volume is also going higher. That tells you on any down day here, you could buy some Nvidia here. This company will do great. This is going to be a $1 trillion company in a year or so. And then you got TSM, Taiwan Semi. Look, stock has come down big time here. Now it's trying to go higher. It's a good time to buy some Taiwan Semiconductor as it's making its way higher. And then you got AVGO or Broadcom. Broadcom is a great stock. It's done great in the past. Huge tumble. Now it's getting its groove back, trying to go higher. On the balance volume is also going higher. I'm a buyer of Broadcom here. It's a great stock. And then you got Intel. Intel, as you can see here, stock has been going down of late, but now it's getting its groove back here. I think at this time it's slowly good to buy some Intel. RSI is 67, but on the down days it's okay to buy some Intel. Alright, so with that, let's look at a few more here. We got AMD. AMD is one of my favorite. Look, stock has done great in the past, but off late it's been going down. But now it's getting its groove back here. It's trying to go higher. Look, on the balance volume is also going higher. At this time, it's good to buy some AMD and position your portfolio well. And finally, we got Qualcomm. Look, there's a huge gap up here. Now it's doing sideways, close that gap as you can see here. Now it's trying to go higher. At this time, it's good to buy some Qualcomm. This company will also do well. And we got Texas Instruments. I call it sleep at home stock. This is a very low risk way to invest in semiconductor stocks here. Look, it's getting its groove back here. I say wait for a little bit pullback here. RSI 63, that you can buy this company here. And then you got AMAT, Applied Material. Look, it's also trying to go higher now. It's down big time. RSI is 54. It's good time to buy some AMT, AMAT, and go from there. Look, on the balance volume is trying to go higher here. So with that, let's look at the list here. This is a list of profitable semiconductor stocks. Look, top of the list we got Nvidia. It's the biggest market cap in the semiconductor space here. Look, it's a $695 billion market cap. I can see this stock going to $1 trillion in a year's time. Look, it's got nice $26 billion sale and going at a nice clip of 61%. That's a great clip here on an average 1 year sales growth, and nice gross margin and nice net margin. Look, 36% net margin, and RSI is a little high now. On a down day, I would buy some Nvidia here. Look, it's done great in 1 year, 5 year, and down 20% from 52-week high, and they got a lot of cash. Look at the cash here, $21 billion cash. It's a great time to buy some Nvidia here. They will do very well. And look at Taiwan Semiconductor next on the list here. Taiwan Semiconductor is also a great company, and they have a lot of semiconductor chip manufacturing capabilities. Look, it's around $560 billion market cap. Look at the amount of cash they have, $42 billion cash, lot of cash on the balance sheet, and nice free cash flow also. It's a great one to buy here. This company will do great. And then you got Broadcom here. Broadcom is one of my favorite steady eddy type stock here. It's a low risk way to play semiconductor. Look, they got a lot of cash on the balance sheet and nice free cash flow here, one of the biggest here. And see, they got a nice $250 billion market cap. They have a nice net margin of 28%. I say, go buy some AVGO or a Qualcomm, Broadcom. It's a great one to buy here. And Intel is getting its groove back, as you can see here. Folks are now buying Intel, realizing this can be good stock as you go forward. That's why it went higher. Look at the way it went higher. In 10-day time frame, it went 13%. That's a great improvement here. Then one of my favorite here, AMD. It's a great stock to buy up here. RSI is 55, middle of the road. Look at the quality, 97 overall score here. That tells you from a profitability, a growth and valuation perspective, it's a great stock to buy here. And then you got a few more here. We got Texas Instruments. I call it sleep at home stock. Very low risk way to invest your money. This one will do well. It's a good one to buy here. And then the list goes on, as you can see here. Keep watching the net margin. All these companies have got nice net margin here. All are great. As you scan through here, Texas Instruments has got one of the highest net margin in this list here. And we got here KLA 10 core. Again, nice net margin. I'll be a buyer of KLA 10 core here. It's a great one. 37% net margin. And as you scan through the list here, we got two more with nice net margin. Skyworks and Teradyne, both are my favorites here. You could buy these companies. Nice net margin here. And then you got Qorvo, again, nice net margin here, 25%. You could buy some Qorvo here. It's beaten down, as you can see here. RSI just 51, middle of the road here. And then we got here KLAC. It's again nice net margin, 27%. It's also a great one to buy here. All right, so now let's look at a few more names here. Now we are getting into lower market cap stocks. Look, Rambus has been very steady eddy. It's a little volatile, but has done great. You could buy some Rambus on a down day and go from there. And then you got here AOSL. Look at the overall score here, 100. That tells you it's a great company here. When this stock falls down, you could buy this company. Right now, RSI 65. I say not a good time to buy at this present time here. And then got AEHR, one of my favorite. It's a little bit less expensive way of buying a semiconductor testing company. You could buy this company right now. It's beaten down, as you can see here, low RSI. So with that, I say, take advantage, buy these companies. Look at AOSL. Look at the profit margin here, 61% profit margin. These guys are killing it. So with that, thank you very much. Happy investing and trading. Please subscribe.